How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Then simply click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down and then log out of your ID. After you've logged out of your ID, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on that, click on Remove Profile from this device. You'll find all the IDs that are logged in. Simply click on Remove. After that, you're good to go. This is how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.